I'm here at Iffa on the Friday before Rotor Live opens, and I'm going to do a quick walk around and show you all the main areas so that you know where to go. As you drive in, on the right you'll see a gate that is for pilots, organisers and exhibitors. Drive straight on and you'll be directed to the parking area. There is no charge for the parking according to the Rotor Live website. From the parking area, it's a short walk to the entry gates. This is €15 for adults and €7 for teenagers aged 12 to 17. Note that they do not have card machines, so you will need to bring cash. Once you're through the gates, it's another short walk to the main entry. There are a few places for food along the way, but honestly it's not that far. You'll make it. For the main entry point, you can either go through the doors on the left to pilot registration and entry, or you can go through to the ground floor viewing area. Or on the right there are stairs and a lift to the 3 floors. The viewing area on the ground floor is pretty decent. It's about as close as you can get to the flight line and a great place for pictures. On the left is the pilot area and the flight line is directly in front. The pilot registration area is on the ground floor and leads to the pilot area. You generally won't be allowed into this area without the right badge. From the pilot registration area we can go up the stairs to see the DMFV, the Deutsche Modelfliegerverband, which is the German Model Aircraft Association. There is a smaller viewing gallery which is quite nice and close to the pilots, although the flight station is actually slightly over to the right. So all of the viewing platforms are really great. From the DMFV we can go over the bridge to the main area on the first floor. Here you will find Mikado and their indoor flying, as well as brands such as Contronic, Goosguy, Gens Ace, Vario, Cavan, etc. and also a few shops and technical areas. Rotor Live has a full map on their website, so I'll put a link here as well as in the description below. There is also a huge viewing platform outside that stretches the whole length of the first floor. From here we can take some more stairs to get to the second floor. Here you will find even more brands and shops representing brands such as Heli Professional, Hobbywing, OMP, Maniacs, Theta, Xnova, YG, KST, Hacker, SAB, Scorpion, XL Power, Tron helicopters, egodrift and miniature aircraft. Just so many. There is another outside viewing platform here as well. And the weather looks really amazing this weekend, so you will need sunblock. And then after another flight of stairs we get to the top floor. Did I mention there's a lift? This has a huge amount of seating on multiple levels, and at the very top you'll be able to sit out of the sun and be able to watch the flying. It really is a nice place to chill out after seeing everything that's going on. One thing I should mention in terms of food is that the vendors don't take cash or card. You need to buy a ticket book here at Rotor Live, and then the shops will stamp it and record any purchases. Other than that, it's going to be an amazing weekend. Lots of new stuff coming out and a 3D competition. Couldn't be better. See you there.